These are Grandma Karma biscuits. You guys check out the recipe. You guys gonna love this 2-ingredient recipe. Thanks to Grandma Karma, your girl can make her biscuits once again. Go check out the video, get your snack, and come on back. Move this chair out the way, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna copycat today. Now, I don't know how many of you guys are caramel babies. Now, if you watch Grandma Karma, you know she has a 2-ingredient biscuit. Now, your girl love her bread, okay? I love my biscuits. Well, when I saw that recipe, I said I had to give it a try. So she stated to get self-rising flour, right? And she did 2 cups along with some heavy cream. So yeah, your girl went and got her some heavy cream and some self-rising flour because we're gonna do this 2-ingredient biscuit. Now, the difference in mine and hers is I am gonna do 1 flour and 1 cup of heavy cream. When I say 1 flour, I mean 1 cup of flour, you guys. So yes, I'm gonna measure this out because your girl wanna try this. So yes, I'm measuring it out. Okay, we're gonna get that on out the way. We got flour everywhere. Okay. So I got 1 cup of flour. Okay. Now I have the whipping cream. Let me open this up. You guys, if you're ready for this video, you better go get your snack and come on back. Because I'm telling you, I am about to make me some biscuits. Messing with Grandma Karma. Okay, so we have 1 cup. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour this in just like so. Because she said that's all I need to do. Grandma Karma, I must say those biscuits was looking delicious. And yes, I have to copy it. I do. I got to learn this because my mother-in-law actually taught me. And Lord rest her soul. You know, I hadn't made them in a minute. And when I made them again, it just was not right. It just was not right. So yeah, when I saw that recipe, I said I had to get it. Oh no. Okay. They doing a little something over here. Okay, I do have my oven on 400. And we're going to mix it on in here. Because that's what she said. And it does look like a biscuit dough. Oh, I'm so tempted to put some cheese up in here, y'all. I swear I am. This is beautiful. Grandma Karma. So far, this this is looking good. This is really looking good, you guys. So I do have my dish. Okay. Do I need to add the look? Let me add that little milk right on in there, cause I don't want to forget nothing. I don't want to forget nothing. Okay. Now, let's get this out the way. Okay, so I'm not going to clean up nothing. So I have my little dish right here that I'm going to put my biscuits in. And I'm going to set this aside because I'm going to put me a little flour on this table. We're going to put us a little flour on this table. Let me put me a glove on. Oh, I already pulled something out. Ain't that something? Pulled something already out. Because I don't need it up under my nails. Okay. Because we're going to get into these biscuits. Yes, we is. Okay. So we're going to spread this right on around here. Just like so. Like she said. Like so. And I'm going to take my dough out. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. And I'm just going to put me some flour. Okay. We're going to kneel it. Ain't that what they say? Who else like playing in their kitchen? We're going to nail it. Just like so. Oh, let's get the rest of that dough out of there. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now I am about to pat it out. I'm not going to use a rolling pin because my rolling pin is at my other house. Okay. If you hear any squeaking, that's my little table. Don't y'all worry about it, okay? That's my table. Okay. Now, let's get something. You know what? I'm just going to go and cut these into squares. Cut these into squares with my little piece of cutter. Put this in the flour, just like so. Oh, that's too small. Well, it doesn't matter. Because I just want to make some biscuits. Let me see. We're going to go and do it like this. And do it like this. Okay? Let's even this up right here. We're going to go and put those in something else. Just to see what they is. Because we just want to see, right? We want to just see how this turns out. So I'm going to oil this casserole up. Casserole dish up. Real fast. Okay? And we're going to stick these right in here. Just like so. And I guess you make sure, because I do remember my mother-in-law saying, make sure they were close together. Now these little pieces right here, we just gonna nail it. I'm gonna make this into one biscuit. And we're gonna stick him right here. Okay, so now we have these ready, and we have these ready. Now I'm no pro, so don't expect a miracle out of me. Okay? So we're going to stick these right on in the oven. And we'll be back. Guys, check out Grandma Karma Biscuits. You guys, when I tell you I am stunned, I am stunned. Okay? So these are the delicious biscuits as you guys saw. I'm putting them over here into a plate. And yes, I am separating them as I go. You guys, look at these delicious fluffy biscuits. Let's get this one out the way. Because you got to see the other pan, you guys. This pan is hot. Look at this pan of biscuits, you guys. Look at that. You guys, check that out. That's Grandma Karma Biscuits. When I tell you this lady is sharing a beautiful recipe, quick and easy. Oh my heavens. Oh my heavens. Look at the brownies on there. You guys, check it out. Like I said, this pan is hot, you guys. And yeah, we're going to go on and put our biscuits over here because the girl is going to give them a test. Yes, we're going to give these biscuits a test, boo. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I swear, McDonald's don't have nothing on Grandma Karma. McDonald's don't have nothing on her. You can tell Miss T told you. Miss T sampled this. Miss T created that biscuit. And I am proud to say, Grandma Karma, that is a beautiful recipe. Look at these biscuits, you guys. Thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe to the channel. And yes, if you're not part of Grandma Karma Babies, go over there because her link will be in the description below. You guys, oh, that's hot. But I got to show you guys because we're going to put us some butter in between these biscuits. You guys, check this biscuit out. Oh, I can't wait to get up in there. I swear, it's like a kid in a candy store. You guys, check this out. My sister said, because I'm coming to get some. this video is about to bump all videos. We're going to put us a little butter right there. A little butter right there. A little butter right there. Because we're going to cut right in here, right? Look at the fluffiness on this. Do y'all see that? Let's take some of that butter. Oh my goodness. Grandma Karma, you did your thing, baby. You did your thing. Now, you guys, like she stated, 12 to 15 minutes. It all depends on your oven. You guys, I haven't had a biscuit since my mother-in-law went home to heaven. You guys check that biscuit out. Let's give you a close-up. Look at there. You guys check this biscuit out. I want to show you the fluffiness. Look at the fluffiness on this biscuit. So soft. And you know what? I am not a butter lover, but we're going to eat this. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm. This biscuit melts in your mouth. This biscuit melts in your mouth. Mm-hmm. Like I said, I'm not a big... Look at that. I need some fried chicken with that. Let's take this one. Look at this. Look at the steam in that one. You guys, Grandma Karma biscuits, you guys. If you haven't tried this recipe, go over there. And you guys try that 2-ingredient biscuit. And I promise you, you will not buy another biscuit. So I'm getting ready to close this video straight out. And I'm going to eat me some biscuits. I ain't going to lie to y'all. And yes, I don't know. You guys, I'm just speechless. Because these are some beautiful biscuits. So yeah, if you're not part of the fam, come join. I love trying other people's recipes. And yes, I would suggest you try too. Oh, girl. Oh, yeah. Now, that's what you call a biscuit. So, I am going to close out, send much love over to Grandma Karma's house. And say thank you so much for this recipe. I appreciate you. And I definitely will try your other recipe. Oh, that biscuit is so good. Y'all, go in your kitchen, pull out some self-rising flour, and get you some heavy cream, and make your own biscuits, okay? You just told me to do it. But sending much love, you guys. Bye.